Hi guys, hope everyone doing good. So today I would like to show you how to test your PLC program with the simulation software. As you can see here, today I'm going to use this Factory IO. My what version is a version 2.4.3. So whatever version if you have, you can do so. You can use it. Okay, today what we have here, as you can see in my screen, if you look at this, I have a so-called the conveyor layout. I can say that I have created so-called, in the airport, we have the check-in counter here. I just do this at the check-in counter. I have this 10 check-in counter. I have a takeaway conveyor here. So along the way, I have the we call the curve conveyor, the straight conveyor here, and this line. I also have add on some of the diverter, and then we call the super conveyor here as well to do some kind of the sorting function. And also beside this, I have the WinCC. I use WinCC version 7.5, I think. Yeah. Okay. And to control this, I have create some of the sample, like so on the GUI or the graphic, like the simple one. You don't have to follow me. This is for my testing only. So I have this MCD or auto or reset whatever, blah, blah, according to like the conveyor here, and also I have the diverter function like toggle mode or this thing or auto mode or whatever. Have this, and so in the WinCC actually we have the faceplate here. You can different face plates, different function. This okay, like this one you can do this also. So like this, so like this, can have this, or even in the face space, different kind of the face space. All right, so now we back to the PLC program. Actually, what I use here, actually I created the program by so-called we use the concept of the integrated project. So if you can see here, I have the PLC program here. It's just the CPU, PLC CPU 315-2 PNDP CPU here, and also I have the schematic PC station. Or we can say the WinCC project here, and also I have a touch panel project. Is whatever you want to use. In this case, I just use the WinCC flexible runtime. You can run in my PC itself. And beside this, the most important thing, I run this the Factory IO software in my another laptop. So because I cannot run this software in the same PC that I run with the runtime, because the performance of the graphic or the system will be be not so good. I won't say that. So okay, now we back to see this PLC software here, and what we have to look into this. Actually, it's just a simple program, but I don't know. Maybe for you, maybe it's a bit difficult, or for some people, they may have already know how to do PLC programming or this thing. If you look at this, our function call here, you will see that I have this the first one is a window calculation, or we have the check-in counter, or back this one. So I have the conveyor. So let me open one of the window calculation program what I have here. Let's see. Simple one. You just probably have a look this. And in this thing, I also have something inside this. It's just a simple, coding here. So look this. And from here, I have a window resolution program. From here, this, oh, blah 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 blah. You can see here. or it depends on you how you do your program. This I have the for each check-in counter program here inside this. This right? Okay. Actually, you don't have to know all this. You can make it by yourself. You know what? Okay, we come down all the way here. We have this is just just a program. So like this. Next one, we go back to OB1. See the check-in counter program. This is to control those conveyor or motor for the check-in counter. We also have the function block like this. For each this. For this side is to send the command to the to the Factory IO software here. As you come here, you can see this. I have a configure of the IO here inside this. Right. Okay. So you have to map all the IO back to your PLC program or your simulated program. Okay, we back to this. All right, we come here. I have total 10 check-in counter like this. So in this case, just go in what we have here. It's just a normal program or blah 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 like this. So, okay, that's all. Okay, close this. And I think today I'm not going to show you this so-called the back ID handling system. So we go straight to the conveyor system program. We have this. It's all function like this. This is mapping to this. This is a sensor signal mapping to map all the signal to the Factory IO simulation software. This is for the conveyor block. You can see this. That's all. You want the tracking? I think tracking today I'm not going to show you the tracking. How the tracking works. Actually, that when you do the tracking program, right? So you have to track all each item along the conveyor. Throughout the conveyor line, go to the destination like carousel or destination sorter or whatever. In this case. Okay, now we have this. We have the VCC like this. So I have the status like in this case, the conveyor is in the power saving mode. Is indicate this light blue is blue color here like this. So this is auto in auto mode or this whatever blah 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 here we have. So okay, we go this. Let's go this and come back. One this. Alright. Then you go big one. Okay. Go to one again. Okay, so let me because some of them is already used, let me stop and start again. Then we try to simulate our check-in counter here. Then I need to remove this guy. Let me I think this is okay. This is okay. Let's start this. You can see this. Okay. This is in force, so I remove it. Release force. Close it. Okay. I will so-called put all the item or the box into the check-in counter here. So come to our BinCC flexible runtime here. System stop. It's already stopped. Okay, I start again. You can see all the conveyor is turned to green color, but it's running. See this. We are running here. Run here. See all the status like this. The check-in motor, you can see this all blah blah blah. Okay. Go back this. Okay. So now we go to check-in photo. I have a check-in photo or in auto. Try to I will drop the back so you can see the back will be displayed here. Back 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This back here. Actually, when I have this release all to release all the box together at the same time, or you can do one by one also can. With this one, 2, 3, 4, you can see this one moving. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Actually, in order to to reserve the window, actually we have the window, the virtual window here. Actually, if you test this, if you go one by one, like this, if you go one by one. Each each check-in counter actually has the same priority, so it depends on the PLC cycle time. This is okay because we release the back one by one. This shouldn't have any problem with this. So let's test together if we induct all the back at the same time. So let me drop the back here. So now I have this. So we move all the back together with this. You see what will happen? I put everything together now. You see this? Sometimes we have to wait for a minute, like then it's moving like this. So if you want to go this again, or this again, or this again, also can. Okay. I press release, release, and release. You see this one is waiting a signal, waiting sign. When there are whatever so-called window coming or alive like this, it will start to induct the box into the takeaway conveyor. Okay, so if you back to this side, you will see this order status here, and also if you see the agency SCADA, you will see the color indication of each conveyor, like dieback system, the PLC stop, conveyor is running, or something like this. This is how we test our PLC program. And this is some kind of the guideline for you. If I think you can take this kind of idea or this concept, and adapt with your program, with your testing. You don't have to wait for the actual site commission. Test this. I have this as well. You see, I can switch it to like auto mode. This one will turn. Okay. And that. Actually, it's fun, when you work with this program, Okay, guys. If anyone have any question or you want to know more how the system works, you can take me, or you can give a comment in my video, or you can find the page. So I will try to give you an advice or suggestion if I have knowledge or I know, or if I can answer your question. So today I will end up with this so-called simulation test. So I hope everyone can get some idea with this video. Okay guys, thank you very much.